Hi friends, hi everybody's watching this video right now. My name is Team Wider, and today I want to share with you something incredible. I want to share with you the process of making money online. I want to show you exactly how we're making the money in the Bepic, guys, because I know that many people they're interested in this. Many people they want to make real money online. They're searching for the real legit opportunities because many times on the day I received many messages from the people. They ask me every time, Tim, what do you think about this project? Tim, what do you think about that project? And really, guys, I want to tell you honestly, I'm working right now in the Bepic. It's my favorite job, what I'm doing right now, my favorite business. And I want to tell you honestly, here is great. It's a great opportunity because it's legit. It's in the more than 200 countries, and you have the chance to join. And I want to show you right now, guys, this is the best products. Right now, you see in my arms, with which one you can start to make really incredible money. They're not fakes. They're not like some of the people maybe will telling you that you must to buy something or you must to do something. I'm showing you everything on myself. If I will tell you that this product is great, so it's great. You see right now how many products I have, and this not all the products I have. Also, there are many on my kitchen because right now I couldn't take all of them in my arms to show you. But you could see on the pictures, I upload many pictures on the Instagram, on the Facebook, you will see everything, guys. And I want to tell you this, that with these products, you could make $100 fast, $200 fast, and everything depends of you guys. If you have a desire to start to make money online from home, so these products and the Bepic company can help you with that. So let's go, guys, from the talking to action. I want to show you exactly what you must do in the Bepic to make the great money. Because this is a great opportunity. I have the many people from the Pakistan, they write me every time. I have the many people from Germany, from the United States of America. We're doing the great business. And why this is excited? Because you could make the business from home. The real, legit opportunity. Right now, it's amazing, guys. The May, June, and July, it will be the great months to this business because we'll have the beaches grow. Because many people they join Bepic right now every single day, every hour. I see that. Really, it's just amazing, guys. So, like I said, let's start to make the action. We will finish with talking, and I will show you exactly right now from my back office. I will show you what you must do exactly to start to make great money in the Bepic. So, guys, let's go to my computer. I will show you everything right now. Alright friends, so right now we're inside my back office and I want to show you exactly in the details what you must do to start to make money in the Bepic. This is the most important reason why you're here, yeah? You came here because of the money. You want to find a way how to make money online. And guys, I want to show you this way right now. After the registration, you will receive the same back office. But just something will be a little bit different. In the top right corner, you will have the button upgrade. For me, I don't have this button because I'm already upgraded member. I made many orders and I have right now different button. It's the one-time order. But for you will be the button upgrade in the top right corner. And to be qualified in the Bepic, you need to have at least one active order, guys. So after that, when you will click on the button upgrade, you will receive this page. The page with the different kind of the products which we provide for the people, which the company Bepic provide for the people. And here you see that we have the Elevate Sample Pack. You can start even from the sample. We have this opportunity because the Bepic company working with the different countries, and the African countries and Arabic countries, and we have this opportunity to show the people. We can give this opportunity to the people that you could start, guys, with the small amount of the money, because other companies can give some opportunity like where you must pay like $500 for the products or something like that. Here in the Bepic, you can start from the $24.95 package, and it's really incredible global opportunity, which really works, guys, which really works for the Ghana, which really works for the many African countries, many Arabic countries, Ukraine, Russia, Peru, United States of America. All of that is involved here. And I want to show you right now, I want to show you like how many products we have and what kind of the products we have. So you could see that we have the Elevate Sample Pack. It costs $24.95, and this package will qualify you. You will lock in your position, guys. You will lock in your position and you will be the active member of the Bepic. Of course, you will try the Elevate. You will see what is this. It gives a lot of the energy. It gives the power. Here's a lot of the vitamins, super adaptogens. Just really, the product is incredible, guys. The product is incredible on the 100%. I order this every month, and I want to tell you exactly, this product works. And many people all around the world, they really like it. They really love it. They love this product. You could see on the YouTube, you could find many testimonials of the different people, what they think about the Elevate, how often they use Elevate, and all of that stuff. Also we have the Elevate single pack, is the 30 capsules. Of course, this is the more interested because this package you will receive for the 1 month. You can use it for 1 month, yeah? Every day you need to take one capsule after the lunch with the plenty of water, guys, and you will see the result. You will see the effect, how these capsules work, guys. Like you don't need to eat too much, you don't need to use some kind of the vitamins, you don't need to buy some kind of the drugs from the pharmacy. All the natural, all the natural on the 100%. You know, I don't drink coffee anymore, you know, because here's the caffeine, here's the guarana, here's the naturally energizers. And I think this is really powerful and amazing, guys. You don't need to use some rubbish from the supermarket like energy drinks. All of this right here in the Elevate, guys. Just one capsule and you're great. Also we have the leader pack. It will be more cheaper, it will be more cheaper if you will get more products, you know, more products in one order. You can get by the 89.95, and this will be the 70 capsules of the Elevate. You can give for your friends to try it. What is this? And this is really incredible promotion, because when you give something for free to your friends, to the people which you know them, maybe to some doctors in your city, because this product is approved by the doctors. This product is the really incredible in the many countries, and of course it's allowed in the Arabic countries, because some of the Arabic people, they asked me, it's allowed for us or it's not allowed. I said, of course it's halal, guys, it's halal. It's really incredible product, and it's allowed all around the world for the many people. Even kids, they use it, just the half of the capsules. And you can find the video on the YouTube, and I will paste the link here, many links of the different kind of the videos, so you will discover how many people they use these products. Also we have the Accelerate, guys. Accelerate is the product for the losing weight naturally, and you can lose the weight while you sleep. It's really incredible, because some of the people don't have time to train, and for me, you know, I'm trained all the time. I'm doing the workouts on the gym, you know, also outside. But for the many people, they don't have the time because they're working, they have all of that stuff, and it's really complicated to stop to do one thing, to stop to do one job and start to make some business. But you can combine this together. You can like, you know, some people, they ask me, Tim, how we can start to make this business if we're working right now, if we're doing the job. I said, like, you don't need to lose your job. You don't need to right now go from your job, because you, or for this time, you don't know how to do the business. Yeah, we're gonna teach you everything. We will show you all the steps. You must to stay on this process. You must to right now you work in your job, so do this job. But you can combine this together, and you can do the business and the job. And after that, when you will be strong in the business, when you will be strong in the Bepic, you can leave your job. You can leave your job and start to make just this business, because this business can bring you more money than your job. Absolutely, guys, because the business is the best option to start to financial freedom, you know. To start your financial freedom is the business. You can ask any person on this planet, like, what to do about the financial. Yeah, I want to make more money. How to start to make more money? Of course, this is the business. This is the business. And what I say about the Accelerate, guys. Accelerate is the product for the losing weight naturally while you sleep. So here's the two kind of the capsules, the white and the purple. You took both of them before 20 minutes you go to sleep, and you will see how the product is work. Yeah, you don't need like to do some crazy workouts or like all of that. But of course, guys, workout is important, and like I said, I'm doing all the time. But for the people who just want to lose the weight, like they don't have the time for the workout, they don't know how to do that. They really sometimes, you know, sometimes different kind of the reasons that people have. So Accelerate is the option, guys. It's the option because it's increase your metabolism. They have a lot of the probiotics, prebiotics, different kind of the supplement here inside, which help your body to lose the weight naturally just while you sleep, guys. And this is really perfect. And also we have, of course, combined like Epic Pack is the Elevate and the Accelerate. You can try it and start to make the really incredible business. So after that, when you will get one of this package, you know, any one of this package will qualify you as a member of the Bepic. You will be qualified as member of the Bepic. Just one order and you will be qualified, guys. To make the order is really simple. You just need to choose any product. Like I said, click to add one, or like add like how many products you want, you know. And after that, you click that you agree with the terms and conditions, and click to continue to review, and just you buy this product for yourself. Guys, we ship through the DHL to the more than 200 countries. It will go to the straight to you, it will go straight to your home, straight to your hands, and you'll be really excited because this kind of the products you couldn't find on the pharmacy or on the market or somewhere else. Only here, only in the Bepic, because this company is unique. This product's on the 100% unique, and this product is works. And after that, guys, you will receive the same back office which I have right now. You will receive the same back office. You will receive here, as you can see, the one-time order will be, the button upgrade will gonna to disappear, and you will see your organization. And here in your team right now will be the no people, because no personals. You will have your personal links to refer the people, and it will be here at the bottom of your back office. Here you will have your personal links to promote, and this is your personal website, and also this is your personal store. And here in the right side you will see your sponsor. Here's, you see my sponsor is the Larry Lane. He's the Global Diamond. For you guys will be the Team Wider. There will be my name, my mobile phone, and everything. And you could see how many personal sponsors I have right now, how many people in my organization, and all of that stuff. And like I said, guys, you will receive your personal links to promote. To promote the links with your people, with your friends, with your organization, which you will start to create, you know. And when you will provide this kind of the links to your people, I'm gonna show you right now, guys, how this work. I'm gonna show you right now how this work and what kind of the website. You know, this website will be yours, will be absolutely yours. And when somebody will go through your link and get in any of these products, yeah, he will maybe wants to just get in the product, or maybe he wants to join and start to make the business with us. It doesn't matter. Just when somebody will go through this link, yeah, I'm clicking right now on the products, for example, accelerate, to check what is this. Yeah, he see the, he's really excited. Yeah, it's for the losing weight. The person have the problem with the weight. He see that we have 30 days money back guarantee. So here is the no risk at all, guys. Yeah, the 30 days money back guarantee. If the person he don't like the product, the company will return all the payment through the to that card, to that account from which he was make that payment. So sign up and buy the product. Yeah, after the person he will sign up and buy the product, you will receive the commission straight. You will receive the commission straight to your account, and after that, guys, you can withdraw that. You can withdraw to any bank card. You can withdraw to the any payment processor. You could see the site is sponsored by the Team Wider, my mail, and my mobile number. For you, you will receive your personal website also. After registration, you will receive your personal website. And of course, you must be qualified to receive the payments, guys. It's really important. Qualified is mean like any active order in your back office. You click continue. Yeah, you can see how this works. After that, the person, he choose any product he want. Yeah, he choose any product he want, because the different products, you see, I already showed you what is mean. Yeah, is the Epic pack, accelerate 1 month, you know, accelerate 2 packs, elevate leader pack, 70 capsules, elevate single pack, and the sample pack just the 10 capsules. He choose any package, he just provide all his information about him, and just click to continue to review, make the payment, and boom, guys, you will receive the commissions. You will receive the commissions. Like this, the company is works. Like this, we making the business. But you must know, guys, you must know that if you want to start to make real business, you must to, of course, get in the products for yourself. Because if somebody will ask you about the products, about how the product is work, about show me the product, you know, I want to look at it, I want you to show me in your arms, because sometimes the people, they doing the business even don't see the product, even don't know nothing about the product. We must to be really know everything about this product. We must to be clever. We must to know all the ingredients in the mind, because if the person will ask you the question about which effect can give this product after which period of the time, about which ingredients in this product, you must to tell this exactly. You must tell this exactly and straight in this minute. If you will start to think, yeah, I will need to read, like I need to think, you know, nobody will work with you. You want to make the real business, so you must to be your best self ever. You must know everything about this company. You must know everything about these products, and this is what we're doing all the time, guys. So I hope that you understand what you must do exactly. Yeah, what you must do. You make the free registration right now. Yes, right now you need to click on the button upgrade and choose any of the product. Choose any of the product. Get straight to your homes. Get straight to your hands. Try this product, because I'm telling you guys, honestly, never in your life you didn't try something like this, because these products is really incredible. These products really can give you that effect which you never was tasted before, really. And also guys, we have the different kind of the tools. Like for example, I want to show you the landing page which we have the capture pages. They're really excited guys. There are many, many of them. Like once you provide the link, you will have your personal links to provide. You save, and after that you see how that work. And these capture pages, you will give the link to that people which you want to refer to your company. You see how it's work? Yeah, I think this is great. I think this is a great opportunity because we have everything you need, bros. We have everything you need on the 100%. All the tools, all the tutorials, all the educations we provide. Also we have the WhatsApp chat, you can find the link in the description. Also we have the Facebook group Road to Success. Also you can find all my contacts in the description below of this video. Ask your question, don't forget to put the like. If you have the question right now, so you can call me on the WhatsApp, you can call me on the Viber. I'm ready to help, I'm ready to support, I'm ready to help that people who really interested to start to make business in the Bepic, because this is what I do all the time, 24 hours a day, 7 days in a week. We're doing the business with Larry Lane from the Hollywood, California. This is the great man, this is the great leader, and I'm really want to tell thanks for the Eric Caprizi who made this business, who created this business for us. And guys, we have the great opportunity, we have the great chance to start to make great money online. So if you have a desire, if you have the strong desire to start to make money online, we're gonna support you. Guys, all the contacts in the description. Don't forget to put the like I said, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you didn't subscribe yet. And of course, ask your question, don't hesitate to ask the question, because sometimes the people just hesitate. Yeah, they're thinking about something, but they hesitate. Don't hesitate, here's your chance, here's your time. Ask the question, put the like, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and of course after that click that bell to receive the notification, because sometimes the people couldn't see the new videos, so the bell is important. Subscribe, click the bell, and everything will be great. It was Team Wider guys, I will see you soon in the next video. I hope this video was really informative for you, and right now you understand what you must do exactly. If you do not understand, again, so you can contact me all the time. It was Team Wider, stay blessed.